Alright, so you want to build your first machine learning model. Maybe you've heard the hype. Maybe you're just curious, or maybe you want to impress your friends at the next dinner party. Either way, I've got you. Let's break this down. Step 1. Don't panic. Machine learning sounds super intimidating, but trust me, it's just a set of tools to help computers recognize patterns. You don't need a PhD or a fancy computer. You just need a little curiosity and maybe a cup of coffee. Let's pick a simple project. Predicting house prices. Classic. So, where do you start? First, you need data. Grab a free data set from somewhere like Kaggle. Download it and open it up in a tool called Jupyter Notebook, which is basically a super-powered notepad for coding. Next, you'll need some code. Don't worry, Python is your friend here, and there are tons of libraries that do the heavy lifting. Type in a few lines to load your data. That's called pandas. Then visualize it. Maybe draw a graph or two with Matplotlib. This helps you see what you're working with. Once you see the patterns, it's modeling time. Think of a model as a super smart calculator that learns from examples. You'll use something like scikit-learn, a library that's ridiculously beginner-friendly. Split your data into two piles, one to teach your model and one to test it. Then call a function, literally just a line or two, and boom, you've trained a model. But wait, don't just trust the model. Ask it to predict some prices and see how close it gets. Tweak your code, maybe try a different algorithm, or add more data. This part is like seasoning a dish. Play around until it tastes just right. And there you go. You've built your first machine learning model. Celebrate that win, because most people never even try. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and soon you'll be building models that can do even crazier things. Remember, the first step is always the hardest, but you've already started.